after having studied the different parties available in Mizoram, I find that BJP is the best choice. And I don't think any good thing will come out of MNF or Congress party here. So clearly there's no choice, then I decided to join BJP.
So why have you joined now and not before? Recently you contested as an independent candidate. Why didn't you join straight
Yeah,
away?
well, as I have said before, I wanted to test the waters, with political waters in Mizoram. Because that time I thought when the MP election was going on, I thought people will vote for me because of the good candidate. But in Mizoram, people don't vote for a good candidate, they vote for a candidate who is likely to win. So once you are not a party-based candidate, there's no chance of winning. So people decided, okay, it's a good man, but I don't think he'll win, so they don't vote for me. So I think basically, if you want to survive in a political world in Mizoram, I think you have to be a party-based. So I decided after the election. I've realized I've learned a hard lesson.
So you were telling tribals are not a part of the BJP concept. Can you elaborate?
See, it's not a BJP concept, it's the concept of the Hindus. If you talk about the Hindus, the class system, the Brahmins, the Vaishyas, the Shudras, in that lineup there is no concept of scheduled tribe. Scheduled tribe is quite foreign to the Hindu concept, So BJP is backed by, as you know, that ideology is backed by RSS. So as a Mizo Christian Indian tribal, there must be a different identity of BJP in Mizoram. So that is why I wanted to join BJP in Mizoram and make it clear that Mizoram BJP is not like a BJP in UP or Bihar, where they are being guided by the Hindu ideology. But here, being a BJP, you are very good Christians and you are very good Mizo. So,
and you were also talking about the income tax right now. Mizoram scheduled tribe were exempted from income tax. But you said you want to promote income tax.
See, idea now, the situation now is that if you are a tribal, in the tribal area, no matter how much income you have, you are not supposed to pay exempted from tribal government income tax payment. But our brothers, our fellow citizens from mainland, when they see that Aizawl is such a developed place, people are rich enough, so they are not still paying income tax. People have to pitch, why you should keep on feeling this thing. So the whole idea of Modi and the government is that they tax the rich and feed the poor. So this is a good concept for that. And then I think as a Mizo, no matter what you are, if your income is good, if it's coming in within the taxable rate slab, then I think you should be ready to pay. Being a tribal, the tribal tax, you cannot be survived in that tax all the time. Because in one way we are very advanced, in the other way you are not paying anything. So I think we should think in a positive, progressive way.
Yeah, perhaps majority Mizos believe that BJP is like anti-Christians or communal party. So what will be your strategy to clear their misunderstanding? Do you believe that BJP can make much impact in Mizoram?
See, the idea that the BJP is basically against the Christians, this is baseless. There is no such activities of BJP which delineate or which harass the Christians anywhere in India. As I have explained in my induction lecture, it has been a propaganda given by the Congress party. Because the Congress party being a national party, they don't want to see another big national party coming to Mizoram. So, if you, as I have explained to you, as a citizen of India, you have the right to propagate and practice your own religion. That you can do anywhere, whether you're a Mizo or a Khasi or a Bihari. Okay. So my whole idea now is that since BJP is not against Christian in general or in particular, so before I decided to join, I went down to Guwahati. I met this Mr. Ajay Jawar. Then he made it very clear that Mr. Chante, you can have a missionary sale. So I said, once you have a missionary sale, BJP missionary sale in Mizoram, this missionary sale will take care of the hardships, unnecessary, undue harassment faced by Christians, Muslims anywhere in different parts of India. So we'll poke our nose, we'll say, no, that's not the way. So the moment they see that the BJP Mizoram is helping the Christian missionaries, I don't think any sensible Mizo person will still continue to feel that BJP is against Christian.
Okay, you talk about the missionary sale. So, how will you push forward the mission in Mizoram? That is missionary sale.
Excuse me, I'm not getting a point.
No. You talk about the missionaries here,
Yeah,
to
yeah.
establish
Yeah,
missionaries
yeah.
here. So how are you gonna push forward in Mizoram?
See, what happened is that I have talked to a few religious leaders, few church leaders.
Okay.
I've explained to them. In fact, we had Thara Bozo to the executive secretary today.
All right.
So what happened is that many of the church and the parachurches who have sent missionaries outside Israel do face problems. So we identify with them. This mission cell will be open 24/7, and all the missionaries will have my number or the common number, headline number. So we keep them. Then suppose now what he was telling today, in Madhya Pradesh they have one case in which one person has wrongly alleged that the missionary was asking him, if you come to Christianity, I'll pay 1 lakh rupees. So that is not the way to convert, non-Christians also. So there have been some cases where our people, our missionaries, have been alleged on a very falsy grounds. I'll tell you one example about Patna. A motor ran over a stray dog. So people around them, they said that the Mizos are staying, Muslims are staying here. So it must be done by these people only. So they were being taken by the police. So in that case, our missionaries have no place to go. So the moment they have such problem, they now be ready to help.
Okay.
Regarding the CAB, the BJP government is trying to revamp that the bill. So do you still believe that CAB is not
Big problem.
a big problem for Mizoram?
See, as when we were contesting the MP, the draft CAB was quite smart. Said that people who are supposed to come back to India from Afghanistan, Pakistan, like they have to be persecuted, because of minority problem. But I'm not sure about that. BJP is going to push through the CAB. Why peaceful? Because basically it's about Hindutva. Hindutva idea of CAB is to bring back the Hindus. Now, I am told that the central government is telling that even the persecution clause will not be there. That means before this, when MP election was going on, one has to prove that he was persecuted because he is a Buddhist or he is a Christian or a Hindu in Pakistan. Now, central government believes that if you are not Muslim, you are being persecuted in Muslim countries. Now, the whole idea of CAB, in Mizoram, we were worried about the Chakma Buddhists. Now, what I'm worrying about this time, not the CAB, is that national registers of citizens, Assam, they identified 40 to 45 lakh illegal immigrants. They're going to be pushed back. But practically they'll not go back to Bangladesh, they'll come to Mizoram, they'll go to Meghalaya. So CAB, in any case, it's a part and parcel. It's a part and parcel of BJP, the Hindutva movement. So we have to accept it.
Okay. So will you stand with the Mizo people if they oppose the CAB?
CAB opposed for what?
No, Mizo, most of the people are opposing the
like last time we opposed CAB because we believe that the Chakmas will come in large numbers. What I was telling is that CAB or no CAB, they have been massive, already entering. So CAB at that time was that they were supposed to have the proof of persecution, religious persecution in Bangladesh. Now they don't have. So the idea, what I'm trying to do is that the whole idea is like we have in Nagaland or Assam, we should have the head counts. Who is a Paka Indian Chakma or an illegal Indian Chakma. Right? Until and unless this being India being 80% Hindus, we have to follow the Hindu way. But in the meantime, let us try to maintain Mizo Christianity in a one Christian state. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.